You're welcome back. This is the ChannelOne newsroom on ChannelOne TV. Now, traditional leaders in Prestea in the Western region are disputing claims by Roads Minister Kwame Abuja that contractors are currently working on the 23.2-kilometer Bogoso-Prestea road. The road minister had earlier told Parliament that a contractor was on the stretch working to complete the project. But speaking to ChannelOne News, the chief of Prestea says the road remains in urgent need of attention. ChannelOne News' Western Bureau Chief Akwasi Ejeanim reports.
Prestea Bogoso are major gold-producing towns in the Western region, hosting mining companies such as Hit Gold Fields and Sankofa Mines. Despite their contribution to Ghana's gold output, the 23.2-kilometer road linking the two towns has remained in a terrible state for years, despite repeated promises by successive governments to rehabilitate it. Motorists who use the road say they face serious challenges navigating the stretch.
We start to Bogoso road how many people and I'm saying quite a year into our best day war high and Kasa our best high. Last week yampu our best buy. Now our best is when say Adiasan, Adiachin, a Yanapa, a sing anytime be a woba. No two in foot through now mona in foot through any message say be anapa. That's all counts in Sisu, and I say Bogoso, Ufi Prestea could do Bogoso, that's all 20 feet to her. If you turn in the Finico,
the chief of Prestea Nanan Ntebua told ChannelOne News that, contrary to the Roads Minister's assurance last year that construction would begin in April, no work has started.
Yeah, Prestea, started say essay. But 14 years in and they started say yeah who did it. Aban ahoro bibre aba eko. Nanso ye hu eho enibre bia eye no ho edemaye. Boshe mum boshe akese ebewie no na ye hu hwe. Ebasa na mayen timemufo no ye de hye mu se amanyofo no mo dadaye. Last year, MP, Ebisa Road Minister, Efan Bogoso-Prestea Kwan, who asem. A new year by no, 16th April 2025, work a commence ewo Kwan weso. Ewo a new year ni manu so was a contractor ni mobilize Aba site. Fitisada no abebepem inda yen mokase. Who contracted be our quanoso. I saw cry a beam by quanoso.
Nanapra added that the poor state of the road is driving away transferred public officials and slowing development in the area, and has therefore renewed his call on government to urgently reconstruct the road.
Ye mame for mudibia. Ye nuanuma adoformo yare transformo. Yankasa ye to quine a ye koyeba. How kese and a yefe. A doctor for a teacher for ye dibu baha nipa ne baha koya osmin baby aden ya kwan enye. Na we and a yesra bang. Se baby push ya be push ya kwan. Yesreno Prestea Bogoso road. Mama ni rim free. Prestea Township Roads, Mama ni in free. Since you are crying, kwa faswa ehu ene bomu. Esa anse onim so kwa kodra sunri mu so nkon kodra sunri o. Se enye bula kwan na obefoma na ya anom enso edituo edibina kwan so eje honyama. Ntebesra ban Prestea Yebenya mpuntu mapa efata ono do onye kwan mai wanye hwia mai kwa no ye kwan nkote mai a yepe